it is time to say goodbye to month of May. And the best possible way to do it is with a beach adventure out on the sea, the Baltic Sea. Yes, it is a beautiful sunny Saturday, 31st of May, and it is 17 degrees Celsius in the air currently, 1:50 p.m. And it is a premiere for my Cube road bike. Yes, finally I have put it into use, and it was super nice to cycle this long, 18.5 kilometers one way. It took me 41 minutes, which is very fast actually. So 18.5 kilometers, 41 minutes, it's around 2 minutes and 10 seconds I think per kilometer. Some of the laps were below 2 minutes. And I am at Strandbadet in Tyresö. One of the closest beaches on the Baltic Sea for me. There are not so many people on the beach today, but it's not so windy right here on the beach. As I was cycling, there was lots of wind along the way. And it's been almost a year, I think, since I've been to this beach. Now let's check out how cold is the sea and going for a swim. And today is, yes, beach day number 23 on my Sweden beach adventures. You can see the sand depart from the beach, and we're gonna check out soon the temperature as well on this super sunny day. Quite nice, I'm not gonna lie. The water looks amazing, and I think I'm going to jump actually into the water. But first let's check the temperature of the water. How cold is it? But you can actually see through the water. It's so clean and clear. I think the last that I have checked, the sea was quite cold, around 12 degrees was it? A week ago or so. Let's see how much it is today. 13 degrees Celsius. 13 degrees Celsius, which means it is fine for a jump into the Baltic Sea. And I'm a bit happy that I have come here today for a beach adventure. So let's hit the jetty.
Stop! আমি তোমাকে কি বলছি? আমি বলছি তুমি ওখানে যেতে পারবে না। হ্যাঁ, তার মানে তুমি ওখানে যেতে পারবে না।
Very nice. And now I have the whole jetty for myself actually. And I have beautiful view on the other side, that is Naka, and here it is Tyresö. And there is even a floating jetty over there in the water. So quite amazing and nice. Let's then jump and enjoy these nice days here at Tyresö Strandbadet. Yes, the salty water is amazing indeed. Let's all the way to the floating jetty, because why not? I didn't cycle 18.5 kilometers all the way just to have a short swim, and I just enjoy swimming in the beautiful Baltic Sea here in Tyresö. Amazing. Beautiful beach adventure out on the sea, cycling and beach with Kris. 14 degrees in the sea, but I'm still holding on. This was quite a long swim. And we are at the floating jetty also, so now. Alright. So, with this wonderful view of Tyresö Strandbadet here in Tyresö, it's time for me to jump again and swim back on shore. So, let's jump again. Beautiful. Amazing. Cool. Now I will enjoy a bit on the beach here on the sea and cycle back home later. So thanks a lot for watching this episode with me from Tyresö Strandbadet, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.